and welcome to our Central Sea Terrace room on Virgin Voyages Valiant Lady. Come on in and I will show you around. So before we get started, we have this tablet here that controls all of your room, including our cabin curtains. So this is a really cool feature. Let's go ahead and open up those cabin curtains to let some natural light in. Now come on in and we will explore our balcony room together. Now, as you enter in the stateroom door, on the left you will see this closet. This closet has a curtain opening and we have lots of storage space up top here, as well as lots of hangers that we can hang our clothes, and some storage as well on the bottom of the closet there. On the right hand side, this is our bathroom. The light switch is just outside here, so I'll go ahead and turn that on and come on in to the bathroom. So this bathroom is quite small for us, but it looks like it has the toilet, the sink, some makeup towels, and everything you would need. The shower looks quite spacious for us as well, so that is nice. They do provide the body wash, hair wash, and hair conditioner, so that's really nice. We didn't have to bring anything extra for that. Lighting also looks great for when we are going to be getting ready and doing our makeup, so that is a nice bonus. All right, let's go explore more of the cabin. All right, let's continue on with our closet on the left-hand side here. So this one does open up, and as you will see, there is a full-size mirror, which is awesome for us. There's some life jackets in case of an emergency. Hopefully we don't have to use that. We have some towels here, extra towels for the pool. We have a nice safe here for anything that is valuable and we want to lock away. And some pull-out drawers here for some storage as well. And of course, the most important part, the full-size mirror. All right, let's continue on with our Sea Terrace room. So on the left-hand side here, we have a couple of hooks that we can hang maybe some wet bathing suits or extra towels that we need. The stateroom attendant every day will fill up these waters, which is awesome because on a cruise we need to stay hydrated. You know, you're drinking a lot, you're in the sun, so that's an awesome bonus that we don't usually see on cruises. There is a big lamp here, as well as a spacious desk, which is awesome. We can definitely get some makeup done here as well, because we'll both be getting ready at the same time. So that's great. Underneath here is the mini fridge, which we actually have already put one beverage in there. This was our getting on the ship beverage that we just haven't opened yet. So that's staying cold for later. And a couple shelves here for more storage. On the right is, again, a big full-size mirror, which is awesome. Lots of selfies will be taken in this mirror, I'm sure.
Follow our Instagram if you haven't already.
Yes, at Thecruisingsisters. And a nice chair, which I think we'll probably just use this for storage, honestly. We'll come in and throw some things on that chair, but that's all right. This here is if you wanted to split the bed into two twin-size beds, they will keep that side lengthwise and turn this bed onto basically this board. So that's if you wanted to separate the beds. As well, you can ask your stateroom attendant to convert this bed into a couch every day if you would like. We're gonna keep it as a bed because that's just a lot of extra work for our stateroom attendant when we don't really plan on being in our cabin much during the day. So we're gonna leave this as our bed. There is a bedside table here, which is really nice in case we want to order food to the room, or if we want to do some editing or reading or anything like that. There are 3 lights above the bed here for reading, as well as some light switches down here. So that controls some more of the room. So across from the bed, there is a very large TV here, and you can pick lots of movies or shows that you want to watch if you're deciding to have a chill night in. And for the star of the show, we have our central sea terrace. So let's go on out and look at our view. We are currently still docked in Miami, so you will have a port view right now. But this is the thing that we were most excited for, the hammock. So we're gonna spend a lot of hours in this, I'm sure. Then there's also 2 chairs and a little table. So every balcony on Virgin Voyages will have one of these hammocks, except for some of the front terraces. They will instead have a hanging chair. So I think that will conclude our Valiant Lady Central Sea Terrace room tour. Our room was 10126Z. And we are very excited for our cruise having this room. So if you haven't yet, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel because we will have so many more videos coming.